Dysfunctional vet. Taylor Swift, shake it off. Dysfunctional vet says blow it off. This is some equipment that I've been using for planing stuff down. Right now the setting is on 1/8 of an inch for squaring up my edges. This is a joiner made by Craftsman. I'm using a compressor, which is a METARO HTP oil-free compressor. I have another compressor. Well, actually I had a compressor right here that was decent. It was a Harbor Freight, had it for like 30 years before it finally died. I bought a real small one for airing up tires, and I bought this one for doing heavy, serious work. If you watched my video on the unboxing of the the pole mount, this is what kept kicking off because I had been using it. Now the way I clean this thing, normally I would brush all this gross contaminant off prior to working, but seeing as how this is a video on blowing it off, I left it on. Let me set up the tripod and I'll show you how I clean this thing real quick. I'll open the port so I can clean all this out. Clean the top, clean the back. I'll blow down inside of this. You can't see it, but the table has a big expanse which allows debris to fall out. This is now ready to be put away. This knob is what controls the height of this table over here. This table is static. You have a device right here that tells you how much you're taking off at a time. Mine is set at 1/8. You have an on-off switch, and then your speed right here, which controls this. You want to use a higher speed. Don't run it on low. Run it up a little bit so that it cuts smoothly and you're not straining the engine. It's time to put this away and get the next piece of equipment ready to go. Dysfunctional vet out.